everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you how to make a vending machine Valentine box. And if you haven't checked out my DIY Valentines for classmates, go check that out and please make sure you like and subscribe. So let's get started. So what you'll need is some scissors, just in case, a hot glue gun or liquid glue, some tape, a black marker, 6 to 9 Scrabble letters, stickers for finishing touches if you want, small pieces of paper, 6 to 9 small pieces of candy, and some cut plastic wrap to go over the candy with. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is align all your candies where you want them, like how I'm doing. And I actually used the nerds in my last video. So what you need to do is just align them how you want. Like this. Okay, the next thing you're gonna need to do is plug your glue gun in, or use your liquid glue, and you're gonna need to glue all of your candies on the box, like how I'm doing. And be careful not to burn your fingers. And I forgot to mention that I already wrapped it and cut a hole, so you'll need to do that part too. And like the hole is where your Valentines will be inserted. Okay, so we got all that. Make sure you push it so it stays on. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna need to do is take your plastic wrap to go over the candy with. So I'll get that. And I'm gonna measure it so I know where to cut it. And then you need to cut it out. And the size will depend on how big or small your box is. And then you'll need to place it over the candy and use a few pieces of tape to make sure it stays secure. Like that. And a few on the side. So keep putting pieces of tape until it's like really secure. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, I still need one piece right here. Perfect. All right. So the next thing you are gonna need to do is put on your Scrabble letters, which will be the buttons to get these candies out. And you'll need to use the blank side. Or you could use the letter if you want, but I highly suggest the blank side so you can put what you want on it. So what I'm gonna do is numbers, but you can put like letters if you want to, like that. And then use your glue to put it on, like that. And then just keep going until you get to the amount where the same amount as your candy. And you can get these Scrabble letters online or from your Scrabble game box. You can put them together or spread them apart. It is up to you. So I'm just gonna keep going. Just keep going. Almost done. And there you go. Perfect. Now what you're gonna need to do is take a little piece of paper, cut it in half, and draw a little line, because this is like where a coin would go. Like that. And it needs to be like here or here, and it can be vertical or horizontal. It's up to you again. Okay, now you'll need another one of these. Like that, because this is where like you'll like display your play money. So just like draw a line and then tape or glue your dollar bill right here. I'm gonna tape it, but you can glue it if you like. Just like that. Now it's taped on. Now I'm gonna take my glue gun and put it on this, and then just like that. It can be together or apart, it's up to you. But it's just a nice little decoration. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do before finishing touches is a thing that says insert here. So I just need to measure like where I need to put it and then cut a little bit off. Okay. And again, this is where people will insert your Valentines. Wait, okay. And then I'm gonna hot glue the bottom. Just like that, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, now I'm gonna write a little note like this. Like that. All right, now I'm gonna just say, like, for like a finishing touch, I'm gonna put like insert coin here, like that. All right, now I'm gonna add my finishing touches, which are some stickers. And you can use any stickers you like, but I'm just gonna use heart ones since it's Valentine's Day. Oh. All right, now, since that didn't really work, I'm just gonna get one of these stickers. All right, now, so I have some, like, this that I can put, like, on the side so it looks like a little heart balloon. Okay, let's put it up. Just like that. And I'm gonna put my little heart. I call it like a little heart balloon decoration. And I'm gonna put a little strip of hot glue on the side, which is where I'm gonna put this. Like that. And I'm gonna put some stickers on the top of my box. And you can put as much stickers as you want until space runs out. But I think it's always fun to get festive and put a lot of heart stickers on. Okay. And you can add as much finishing touches as you like, but I am done and it's ready to take to your class, and the Valentines can just slide right through. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!